Hi, welcome on Hackages. My name is Davey. In this video, I'm going to show you one thing you shouldn't do in TypeScript. So, in TypeScript, you can actually create class. And I've seen people creating class this way and then use this class to actually type things, types object, for example. So let's have a name here and then let's use this way. Okay. Now, I'm going to create a user and leverage that class as a way to type things, right? And now it's basically complaining because it says name is not created right here. So let's add a name. That's me, Davey. Now, as you can see, everything is working. Right here, what is happening is you're using a class to type an object. What can go wrong right there? Nothing really. But look at the code on the right side. Now, as you can see, TypeScript just created a class just to type an object. That is not the point. Look, if I replace that with an interface right now, you're going to see that on the right side, there is no extra code generated by TypeScript because an interface won't leak into the final JavaScript that is being generated. So my point here is to say, do not use a class to type things in TypeScript when you write code. So hopefully this is pretty clear. I have a few examples where I explain exactly how you can use an interface or a type and vice versa, right? And in this case, for example, you could simply also use a type to do exactly the same thing. And as you can see on the right side, there is no code generated by TypeScript, the TypeScript compiler in this case. So last time, don't use a class to type things in TypeScript. That's it for this video. I will see you on the next one. You take care. Cheers.